Hello and welcome to this video on how blockchain technology can be implemented using various programming languages. In this video, we will be discussing the most popular programming languages used in the development of blockchain technology, including but not limited to Solidity, Chaincode, JavaScript, C++, and Python. We will also be discussing which programming language is the best and the fastest growing use of code on the blockchain. Solidity. Let's start with Solidity, which is a high-level programming language used for smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Solidity was specifically designed for the Ethereum platform and enables developers to write smart contracts that can interact with the Ethereum network. This means that developers can create decentralized applications, such as decentralized exchanges and prediction markets, that can run on the Ethereum network without the need for a centralized server. Chaincode. Next, we have Chaincode, which is a programming model used for writing smart contracts in Hyperledger Fabric, a blockchain platform for enterprise solutions. Chaincode allows developers to write business logic for their applications in a language that is familiar to them, such as Go, Java, or JavaScript. This makes it easier for enterprise developers to adopt blockchain technology and build decentralized applications that can meet the needs of their business. JavaScript. JavaScript is another popular language used in the development of blockchain technology. It is a high-level language that is easy to learn and is widely used by developers. JavaScript can be used to develop smart contracts and decentralized applications on various blockchain platforms, including Ethereum and EOS. This means that developers can write smart contracts that can run on different blockchain networks, making it a versatile choice for blockchain development. C++. C++ is a low-level programming language that is widely used in the implementation of various blockchain systems, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. C++ is a powerful language that provides a high level of control over system resources and performance, making it ideal for developing complex blockchain systems. Additionally, C++ has a large and active developer community, which makes it easier for developers to find support and resources when building blockchain applications. Python. Python is another high-level programming language that is widely used in the development of blockchain technology. It is particularly useful in the context of smart contract testing and simulation, as it has a large number of libraries and tools that make it easier to test and simulate smart contracts. Additionally, Python is an interpreted language, which means that developers can write and test code faster, making it a more efficient choice for blockchain development. So, which programming language is the best and the fastest growing use of code on the blockchain? The answer is that it depends on the specific requirements of the project and the technical capabilities of the development team. Each of these programming languages has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of language will depend on the desired trade-off between security and efficiency. In conclusion, the use of blockchain technology is growing in many directions with programming, and the choice of programming language will depend on the specific requirements of the project and the technical capabilities of the development team. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.